Have you noticed that you're visiting the gas station more often than usual? If your vehicle is burning more fuel than it should, don't assume it's just because fuel prices have gone up. In many cases, excessive fuel consumption is caused by mechanical problems or poor maintenance that most drivers never notice. The good news is that many of these issues are easy to identify and fix. Welcome back to Fix Pro Garage. In today's video, we'll explain the most common reasons your car is using too much fuel and what you can do to improve your fuel economy.
What causes high fuel consumption? Your engine is designed to burn fuel efficiently, but when certain components begin to wear out or fail, that efficiency drops. Even small problems can force the engine to work harder, increasing fuel consumption without triggering obvious warning signs. Let's start with the most common mechanical causes. Dirty or faulty fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering the correct amount of fuel into each cylinder. Over time, dirt and carbon deposits can restrict their spray pattern. Instead of producing a fine mist, the injector may spray unevenly, causing incomplete combustion. As a result, your engine burns more fuel while producing less power. Worn spark plugs. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture inside your engine. As they wear out, the spark becomes weaker, making combustion less efficient. The engine then compensates by using more fuel while delivering reduced performance and slower acceleration. 3. Faulty oxygen sensor. The oxygen sensor constantly monitors the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and helps the engine adjust the air-fuel mixture. If the sensor fails, the engine may inject too much fuel, leading to poor mileage and unnecessary fuel waste. 4. Weak fuel pump. A failing fuel pump can no longer supply fuel at the correct pressure. This causes an improper fuel mixture, making the engine run either too rich or too lean, both of which reduce efficiency and increase fuel consumption. 5. Dirty air filter. Your engine needs a constant supply of clean air for efficient combustion. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and burn more fuel to maintain performance. 6. Low tire pressure. Driving with underinflated tires creates extra rolling resistance. The engine must produce more power just to move the vehicle, which directly increases fuel consumption. Keeping your tires properly inflated is one of the easiest ways to improve fuel economy. 7. Dragging brakes. If your brake calipers stick or fail to release completely, the brakes continue creating resistance even while driving. This extra drag forces the engine to work harder and wastes fuel every mile you drive. 8. Faulty thermostat. A thermostat that remains open prevents the engine from reaching its normal operating temperature. When the engine stays too cold, it uses extra fuel because it never enters its most efficient operating mode. 9. Wheel misalignment. Misaligned wheels create unnecessary resistance against the road. Instead of rolling smoothly, the tires fight against each other, increasing fuel consumption while also causing uneven tire wear. 10. Carrying excess weight. Extra cargo or frequent towing places additional stress on the engine. The heavier your vehicle becomes, the more fuel it needs to accelerate, climb hills, and maintain highway speeds. 11. Using the wrong fuel octane. Using fuel with a lower octane rating than recommended can reduce engine efficiency. Some engines may experience knocking or delayed ignition, resulting in lower performance and higher fuel consumption. 12. Poor vehicle maintenance. Skipping regular maintenance allows small issues to become larger ones. Dirty filters, worn ignition components, neglected fluids, and overdue services all contribute to reduced fuel economy over time. 13. Frequent short trips. Short trips may seem harmless, but they prevent the engine from reaching its ideal operating temperature. Since the engine spends most of the trip warming up, it burns more fuel than it normally would during longer drives. 14. Fuel leaks. Even a small fuel leak can waste a surprising amount of gasoline over time. Besides increasing fuel costs, fuel leaks also create serious fire hazards and should be repaired immediately. 15. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. The fuel pressure regulator controls how much fuel reaches the injectors.
If it fails, the engine may receive either too much or too little fuel, reducing efficiency and increasing fuel consumption. 16. Old or low-quality engine oil. Engine oil reduces friction between moving components. Old or poor quality oil loses its protective properties, increasing internal resistance. As friction rises, the engine works harder and consumes more fuel.
The good news is that most causes of poor fuel economy can be prevented with regular maintenance. Replacing worn spark plugs, keeping your tires properly inflated, changing dirty filters, using the correct fuel, servicing the fuel system, and changing your engine oil on time can all make a noticeable difference. Paying attention to these simple maintenance items not only improves fuel economy, but also extends the life of your engine and helps prevent expensive repairs in the future. A well-maintained vehicle performs better, runs more efficiently, and saves you money every time you fill up the tank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive repair tips here on Fix Pro Garage. Thanks for watching, drive safely, and I'll see you in the next video.